Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. Today I am going to do the month 3 of the 14th Simple Whatnots Club mini quilt. It'll finish at 15 by 15, so it is a mini quilt. These are the fabrics that we use. They are from Deal, and they're just, most of them are just small pieces, and you'll still have some left over. And you'll see each fabric has a number, which will come in handy because for this quilt, you need to make sure that the colors on one block match the colors of the other block, especially the middle one. So I'm going to go ahead and follow the instructions of which fabrics they used so that I don't mess up, so that they've got all the right colors on the right side of the block. So these will match, 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 etc. So that's the only hard part about this quilt. The rest of it is just half square triangles, a rectangle, and a square. So let me get these cut out and organized, and I will be back. Okay, I have all my pieces organized. I have their little number that tells me, which fabric it is. I don't know if that's going to help, but I think it might, so I went ahead and did it. I just printed off some numbers and then cut it up. So I am just going to do one block at a time. So I need 4 of these ones. 2, 3, 4. 4 of 26, 33. I'm going to need 1 square, if I can pick it up. I'm going to need 4 of these, any 4. So I'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are sashings between the blocks, and this is the binding. So this is what we need to make our block. The blocks end up at 5 inches. So let's get over to the sewing machine. Now we have to put our half square triangles together to make a square, but we need to make sure we do the right ones. So I've got 2 of these and 2 of these. Put them right sides together. And then I also have these 2 and 2 of these. I've got 2 of these brown with the red. And 2 of the red with the gold. Okay, so we're just going to put these together. I'll just chain stitch these. Okay, Now I'm going to press these open and trim them, and I will be back. Okay, this is how it's going to be laid out. I've got them all pressed and trimmed. These do give you room for trimming. I really like that. You don't have to be exactly perfect to put them together. So that's great. I've got all the brown right here, all the teal, all the gold, and all the red. So you want to make sure you have that before you start sewing. And then we're going to put together our inner patch by doing the 3 rows and putting that together. And then we will attach the 2 sides. Then we will attach these rows, and then we will attach them to the rest of the block. All these pieces get pressed towards the sashing. Okay, and I'm going to trim this to size. Okay. So I still have my gold in this triangle, red, brown, and teal. Okay, there we are. I'm going to get this pressed and trimmed. Okay, whoop. Okay, this is the first block, and all the blocks are the same. It's a very easy block to put together. You just have to be careful of where your colors are placed. The sashing is scrappy. Or if you have your own fabric and you want it all to be the same, you can do that. This is what comes in the kit. So let me get the other 8 done, and I will be back. Okay, I have all the blocks done, and this is where I'm going to put the sashing. So now I just need to put the rows together. And there we have the first row. And so we've the same fabric here and the same fabric here. So let me finish this up and I'll be back. Okay, here it is. The top is all finished, and I double checked, and all the squares have the correct fabric. So now I just need to sandwich it, quilt it, and bind it. Okay, there we have it. The early bird quilt is all finished and bound, and I just took some of the extra fabric and made a 9-patch and sewed them together because I didn't have a fat quarter, that would match, and I didn't want to cut up any yards of material. And there was plenty of this left, so that's what I used. So I want to thank you for joining me. Let me know how yours turned out and what kind of quilting patterns you used. I just did the typical flower, on each side, on each quarter. I think you can see it better here. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe here. But thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.